If you want to hide comments in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn off comments so they no longer appear in your feed and article pages. This is a simple way to clean up your browsing experience and make Edge feel a lot less cluttered. And if this video helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the home page. On the home screen, look for the page settings icon, which looks like a gear icon. This is usually located near the top right area of the page. Click on that gear icon to open the page settings menu. Once the settings panel appears, look for the section called Content Settings. Under that section, you should see an option labeled Manage. Click on Manage to open the Content Settings controls. Now you'll see a list of page preferences and display options. Find the setting that says Show Comments in My Feed and Article Pages. This is the option that controls whether comments appear while you browse content in Edge. To hide comments, simply toggle this setting off. As soon as you switch it off, Edge will stop showing comments in your feed and article pages, giving you a cleaner and more distraction-free layout. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've hidden comments in Edge and customized the browser to better match your preference. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you want to see more Microsoft Edge tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.